Excellent stay. My go-to hotel whenever I'm in Hat Yai. Like my second home. Recommended for self-drive travelers. Breakfast was a plus point. Excellent stay. Recommended to my family with young children and the kids love it very much. Staffs were helpful and excellent. Breakfast was great. Excellent stay. My go-to hotel whenever I am in Hat Yai. Highly recommended for self-drive. Excellent stay. My go-to hotel whenever I'm in Hat Yai. Highly recommended if self-drive. Exceptional nice hotel. Nice staff were friendly and helpful, location was convenient. Exceptional. Terbike, DDK3 Haribasama 2 kids, OK Bilik Base Arbol Balari 2 DLM2, Staff Pun Samurama, Sarapan Pun OK Sedap Samua. Staff Banyak Memban 2, Nandi Nak Repeat Logi KT Sini. Best Walau Bunjo Sikit Dry Bandart POK. Saya Suka Sangot, Takbizing, guys. Wajib Try Sini OK, best, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Saya Baggy 100 million tenths, white check mark. Exceptional. Really recommend. Super. Nice room with balcony. Breakfast super. Thank you, folded hands. Exceptional. My fourth time here. All pictures in Google Maps under Mohammed Irwin. Check it out, playful face. Exceptional. My second time here in 2 months. Clean hotel with halal breakfast. Exceptional. Good. Exceptional. Good. Value to stay. Friendly staff, clean room.